Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Tesla Model S with its key. First, ensure you have your Tesla key fob readily available. This sleek device is your primary tool for accessing your vehicle. To unlock all the doors, simply press the top button on the key fob once. You'll notice the car's exterior lights flash twice, providing a clear visual confirmation that your Model S is now unlocked and ready for entry. It's a straightforward process designed for convenience. Once your Tesla Model S is unlocked, opening the doors is intuitive. Simply pull any of the 4-door handles, and they will present themselves for easy access. As you open a door and step inside, the interior lights will automatically illuminate, providing a welcoming glow. Concurrently, the large central touchscreen will activate, displaying the main control interface. This allows you to immediately interact with your vehicle's features and settings, preparing for your drive. Beyond the key fob, your Tesla Model S offers several convenient alternative unlocking methods. The Tesla mobile app allows you to remotely unlock your car from virtually anywhere, providing excellent flexibility. For a hands-free experience, simply walk up to your vehicle with your phone key, and it will automatically unlock as you approach. Additionally, the key card offers a simple solution. Just tap it against the B-pillar on the driver's side to gain entry. These options ensure you always have a way to access your Tesla. In rare situations, if your key fob battery is depleted or other methods fail, your Tesla Model S has an emergency manual key blade hidden within the fob. This can be used to physically open the driver's door. Always ensure your key fob battery is charged to avoid any inconvenience. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. It's a valuable read for anyone looking to improve their financial perspective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.